Sleeping tree is a wonderful restorative version of this beloved pose where you can have the belt on the outside of the opposite hip or the belt on the same hip. We'll show the same hip here. Starting in a seated position, extending one leg out and bending one knee in. We'll use a blanket folded up from the 8th fold, vertically folded again to create a soft support underneath the crease of the knee. A thicker support may be used if the hips are a little tighter. Then we'll take a belt in a small loop and place it around the knee so that it slides all the way up to the hip and around the sole of the foot. Again, an alternative position for the belt may be around the ankle and the opposite hip. Once you have everything in place and your support is underneath of the knee, lay back onto your back. Now, one of the benefits of placing the belt in the other position around the extended leg hip is to keep that hip down. Many times, in order to get the knee pointing out to the side while we're standing in this pose, we begin twisting in the hip, which twists the standing leg's knee. So keeping both hips down evenly with enough support underneath of that bent knee will help train the hips into proper position. When you're ready to come out, remove the belt and extend the leg. Be sure to do both sides. Great work.